So guys, in today's video we will see a simple experiment based on the basic idea of convection. And one more amazing thing in this video is you can make this experiment only using 3 commonly used things. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first, for this you need to take a bottle and you have to cut the bottom part of this bottle. So after cutting the bottle will look in this shape. So next you have to take a candle and stick this candle to the table. Now take a incense stick. This is also called as agarbatti in our local language. So now you have to light the candle. At the same time you can even light this incense stick. So now you have to remove the cap of this bottle and cover the candle with this bottle. So guys, now the real experiment starts. So I think you can see the smoke coming from this incense stick. So now let's see what happens when I take this incense stick near the neck of the bottle or just above it. So guys, now you can see how the smoke is coming from this incense stick. So now let's see what happens when I take this incense stick near the neck of the bottle. Where did the smoke disappear? Wow, it's really amazing. So guys, did you see that? This experiment was really like a magic for me. How was it for you? Comment me down. But guys, this works mainly based on the principle of convection. Means when we burn the candle, the air inside the bottle becomes hot. And as the air inside the bottle becomes hot, the air moves upwards. And at the same time, the air or the smoke from the incense stick moves inwards. It is like exchange offer, and so this happens. So guys, if the video was nice, then please like the video, and if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.